Hello everyone, we are currently in the Trichy area here in Thiruvarampur. A brand new house is under construction. That is the reason we have come here today. We are here to give you a detailed overview of the house and its remarkable features. We have provided you with a Pioneer biotank. Even if you request a 60,000-liter tank, you will not find any joints in it. This tank is crafted as a single continuous piece without any motor. As a result, it is entirely leak-proof, rust-free, and there are no issues with overflow. That is why our Pioneer tanks come with a 50-year leak-proof warranty certificate, providing you with complete assurance. When you purchase any of the available plots and you intend to set up a bathroom that can be used by more than 10 people, you will indeed require a considerable amount of space for it. While the maintenance for other options can be quite demanding, our pioneering paint solution guarantees a durable, seamless, single-piece and leak-proof construction. This system works by completely processing human waste inside the tank, transforming it and releasing clean water. Because this process is fully automated, you will never need to hire a truck for cleaning at any point during its lifespan. That's why I emphasize that this tank is entirely maintenance-free. You won't have to spend a single rupee on this tank for its entire life. This customer found us through our engineer's YouTube channel. Then he started the construction work for his house. Our site engineer inspected the area to decide where the tank can be fixed. The customer had already received a clear blueprint of where to place the septic tank. Now that the house construction is complete, they have prepared the site. They filled the area with M-sand, making it ready like a bed. This preparation is enough for any construction work. There is no need to do anything more. Now the tank is being lowered in. Our site engineer is overseeing the process to ensure everything is done correctly. If you're wondering why they do these checks, it's to ensure that during the rainy season the overflow water doesn't get blocked anywhere. This is the reason for these inspections. Our site engineer will be there until the tank installation is complete. Make sure the tank is perfectly aligned, then they will surround it with sand on all four sides and seal it. Afterward, they will fill it with water. This ensures that the soil secures the tank firmly, so always remember to inspect the tank. Both the septic tank and the tank itself come with an impressive 50-year warranty, and only the Pioneer Bioseptic tank offers this unique guarantee. For cleaning your toilet, you can use Harpic, Domex, and other similar brands that are readily available in the market. If you want to know more about this, be sure to visit the Pioneer Bioseptic Tank YouTube channel. For more details, head to the Pioneer Bioseptic Tank YouTube channel. You can also call the number displayed there for direct assistance. Thank you, friends.